सफ़र और ये मौसम हंसी, हमें डर है हम खो न जाए कहीं। तो आज है 21 मार्च एंड आई वेलकम यू ऑल टू अनदर ब्लॉग ऑफ मम्मी एंड मिश्का। मिश्का से हाय। मिश्का इज लिटिल बिट एंग्री एज यूजुअल। सो हम निकले हैं एक छोटे से ट्रिप पे एंड लेट्स सी कहाँ जाता है हमारा कारवा। We'll just pick up some snacks because we are going to drive to maybe Ras Al Khaimah. Weather is amazing, as you can see. Sky is partly clouded and we are all set. It's a beautiful Saturday today. My baby is a bit angry, my angry bird. Is my lipstick shade too dark? दीपाली स्नैक्स लेके एज यूजुअल। मिश्का सामने जाती है, वापस पीछे आती है भाग के। वाओ, फ्रंट प्लीज। आई डोंट हैव हियर नाउ। मिश्का हैज ब्यूटीफुल। This Mishka, who did this? You, right? This naughty girl. हमें ड्राइव करते 2 घंटे हो गए हैं। Now let's stop and eat something.
No matter how much you scold me, you shouted me.
From UAE. And then go ahead. हाँ, वो है ना, बेरीज है सारे, ड्राइड बेरीज। नहीं रहा कि हम यूएई में हैं। It's so beautiful. Seems like कि दुबई तो है ही नहीं, I mean यूएई है ही नहीं। स्कूल क्वाइट नाइस, बहुत शांत जगह है, बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है। लेट्स सी कुछ खाने पीने का मिल जाए, फिर हम आगे जाएंगे अपने फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन पे। आज बेहतरीन मौसम है और हम यहाँ जाएँ We drove 2 hours and now it was time to relax a bit. Some picture, some food, and enjoy the trip. Our yummy food is here. All chicken skewer, wow, and our Arabic gulgule.
Shake it, all the fish will come out.
Dan, what do we call this?
Lukmat.
Lukmat.
Papa, we
Coke.
should never open
Mishu, are you enjoying?
Yes. Look
Are
at
you
the
having a nice
necklace.
experience?
Yeah.
What are you eating? What are you eating?
ये स्पाइसी है, ये दोनों प्लेन है.
Gulu, gulu.
What? Gulu gulu?
Yeah, gulu, gulu.
Let's eat, guys.
Baby. Chicken.
So juicy, yummy.
How will you get energy to go, baby? You will not have energy, baby. See, all are eating. I'm also eating. See, baby.
Butterfly. Where are you going?
Mommy, don't come close to me. Stay there with me, okay? Look, why?
प्लेट फिनिश किया और हम दूसरे प्लेट पे हावी बोल होने वाले हैं और ये भी गुलगुले भी खत्म हो रहे हैं.
Tasty brown dumplings with honey.
With honey and Mishka is enjoying it.
Wow. Can you have little bit of?
How is it, baby?
Mommy, Mommy, this restaurant is rich. Look at this gold pillar.
Oh, ho, ho.
And
Okay.
you know what I saw in the washroom?
What?
2 ducks drinking water from the muddy bottom. They love to drink from the muddy bottom. And a cat.
Wow.
A cat was trying to get something from inside. Her paw was inside, trying to reach the things she wanted, and she quickly ran away.
Oh my God. So washroom was clean.
No. Dirty, extremely dirty.
So how did you use it?
Papa cleaned the toilet for me. Can I show you the washroom?
I don't want to go to washroom. Thank you. I'm okay. I'm already
Can I show
busy.
you, please?
Okay. Where is it? And will you show me the ducks and cats as well? Oh my God, Mishka.
Cat is gone and the ducks are also gone.
Oh.
They were drinking from this puddle. And the cat was
This
trying
puddle?
to reach her paw from this gap.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I saw the washroom now. I don't want to go inside. I don't want to go inside. It's fine. Thank you. वाले स्पेशल वॉशरूम है देखना ये और देख हैंड वॉश एक स्टेशन कितना सुपर स्टार वाला वो है हैंड स्टेशन. पर कुछ भी बोलो सी तनवीर आई थिंक वहाँ लोग रहते हैं ना. हाँ वहाँ लोगों का घर है. हाँ वो रहे बतख 2 एक ब्राउन और एक सफ़ेद वाले. अरे गांव बट कितना खूबसूरत लग रहा है ना. लग ही नहीं रहा कि दुबई यूएई का ही हिस्सा है. अच्छा फील हो रहा है.
जगह है ना जहाँ से हम जाते हैं ना वहाँ पर ओमान का एग्जिट लगता है. अभी काकी ने बिना ने कहा
So it's a beautiful place but closed. तो ये हमारा हो गया आज का LOL तनवीर दिवाली. अभी इंस्टाग्राम के रील्स के लिए केयरफुल रहना होगा. We found this place through Instagram, checked online, called several time but कोई रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आया. हम ड्राइव करके आए 2 घंटे दुबई से रास अल खैमा और ये प्लेस क्लोज्ड है. बट स्टिल कहते हैं कि समटाइम्स जर्नी इज़ बेटर देन डेस्टिनी, सो दैट्स द सेम. बहुत एंजॉय किया, बहुत मज़ा आया. एक अरबिक विलेज काइंड ऑफ थिंग एक्सपीरियंस किया. यू कैन सी द ब्यूटिफुल सराउंडिंग. इट वुड हैव बीन बेटर अगर हम अंदर जा पाते. ये फ्लावर पार्क, वैसे तो फ्लावर फार्म हाउस जो है वो क्लोज्ड है, बट यू कैन स्टिल सी ब्यूटिफुल flowers. We didn't know that it will open next January now, and you can see some animals there.
Now let me
Horses, there are
some other places
peacocks,
where we can go. Baby, don't go there, baby, please.
and you can
Come this side,
see
please. Come this side.
that it's surrounded by the small huts. It's so beautiful actually.
Mishka, baby, you'll get hurt. Then please don't tell me to get hurt, okay? There are ants over there. Be careful.
You can see the flowers. It's beautiful.
आओ ऐसा,
बहुत खूबसूरत flowers हैं.
आओ ऐसा.
हाँ आती हूँ. And we thought let's click beautiful pictures, because driving all the way to Ras Al Khaimah, Fujairah for 2.5 hours and not clicking pictures, not making memories won't be right. So you can see the beautiful pictures, me, Mishka, Dipali, Dan. At least we tried to capture the flower farm from outside, from the barricade, on the stones. It was literally hard, but we had good experience. Finally, we checked out the location. दिखा दिया. बंद है बट हमने फुल मज़े किए. फ़ोटोज़ लिया बाहर से ही, सारे फ्लावर्स को देखा. एंड देन वी आर हियर एट Santorini, UAE. It looks beautiful. नहीं आपको नहीं ले रही हूँ, डोंट वरी. It's beautiful. कोई बात नहीं, फेमस जाओगे ना. देख के तो बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है. एटलीस्ट हमने जो लोकेशन फाइनलाइज किया था दैट एक्चुअली टर्न डाउन क्योंकि बंद था वो. तो फाइनली वी फाउंड अनदर लोकेशन कॉल्ड Santorini in Ras Al Khaimah. Actually this beautiful place is in Fujairah, but due to Google mapping and all, it always shows in Ras Al Khaimah, so that confusion was there. But by the way, we clicked lovely pictures, me, Dan, Dipali, Mishka, beautiful pictures.
Yes, my friend, from here we.
Swing over here actually. Move.
समझा भाई.
This top of the mountain view was so nice, a heart-shaped swing with flowers, and again we were there for some pictures. And again we clicked some pictures because the background, the backdrop was so pretty, so beautiful that you can't stop but clicking pictures away. And finally we clicked a group picture of the place, and on the way back we bought a bougainvillea from a beautiful nursery, and the trip ended for today. See you next time.